Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper dish rack track assembly in a KitchenAid dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillip screwdriver and a 5/16" Nutdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper dish rack track assembly. This upper dish rack track is mounted on the right side of the cavity. The track supports the upper dish rack and allows it to glide effortlessly in and out. If you are experiencing difficulties pulling the upper dish rack out or sliding it in, check the upper dish rack track assembly and replace it if needed. To get it apart, we need to open the dishwasher door. Now I'm going to pull out the upper dish rack. To remove the upper rack, we need to press on 4 tabs, 2 tabs on each side, in order to release this locking tab. So I'm going to push on the tab in and lift this side up. So now I'm going to press in this tab and pull up the dish rack. Do the same thing for the other side. Next, I'm going to push the rails in, out of the way. Now we're going to remove these caps. I'm using the flat blade screwdriver. We're going to have to take this one on this side, and we have the one on the opposite side, which is identical. And slide that flat blade screwdriver in, and I'm going to pry this out. I'm going to move to the left, and I'm going to take this one out. Same way, pry it using the flat blade screwdriver. Next, I'm going to use this Phillip screwdriver, and I'm going to take out the screw on this side, and then I'm going to switch the sides and remove the other screw so we can free the dishwasher from the cabinet. Now we're going to pull out the dishwasher. About 3/4 of the way out. I would probably, at this point, I would check if we have any free hoses there, like if they still have enough length to pull out. We need about probably 6 more inches. Look under the sink, check if there's enough length. If not, we need to undo the hoses. So we're going to roll back the installation, so we expose these mounts on the sides. So I'm going to open the door. So to remove the upper dish rack track assembly, we need to take out 4 5/16 screws here. I'm using the 5/16" Nutdriver. I'll take the rear ones, and then we're going to take out the front ones. So while I'm taking this last screw out, I'm going to support the track from inside, and I'm going to take it out. This is the old upper dish rack track assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. This is our new track, and it goes in this way. So this is, it says up here, goes up this way, and this is the front. And that's the rear. This mount just goes direct straight down, and this one slides to the back, locking in. And we're going to put a 1 screw in. I'm using the top hole, and this screw is going to be our pilot screw. I'm placing it on and tighten the screw using the 5/16" Nutdriver. Next, I'm going to install the upper screw for the rear mount. And we're going to install the 2 bottom screws. I'm going to lift the door up out of the way, and then I'm going to install this insulation back. I'm going to pull it forward on both sides and the top, and we're going to push it back in. I'm going to open the door. Now I'm going to secure the dishwasher to the cabinet using that screw, and I'm using a Phillip screwdriver. And now I'm going to secure the dishwasher on the left side with the Phillip screw using the Phillip screwdriver. And we're going to install the cap here by pushing it in. Now I'm going to install the left side cap in, push it, and it's going to lock. Now we're going to install this dish rack into the dishwasher. Alright, so before installing that upper dish rack in, I will explain you how that thing mounts on the rails, on the tracks. So these 2 pins will lock into these 2 brackets on the tracks. The rear pin goes first down, and then it slides in slightly. You can see that this is like a groove cut out here. And the front pin just drops into this cutout. Alright, so we're going to bring in the dish rack, and we're going to drop in the rear pins into the cutouts on both sides. And I'm going to push it in slightly and drop the front ones. Need to press it down so it will lock in. Alright, so we locked all 4 of them, and now we can push it in. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.